Welcome to day 3 of becoming a data analyst. In this video, you will learn Excel formulas including sum and average. This formula helps you to calculate total and average, which are essential skills for every data analyst. You will practice using real data set and learn step by step. In our next video, we will learn Excel count and data analysis. Subscribe and continue the journey. So, just as the introduction I said, we are going to do today sum and average. Why is this two formulas important? One, they are used to calculate totals, they calculate averages, and they also help to analyze business data. Before that, I jump a slide. What is a formula? A formula is used to calculate values in Excel. Excel formulas help data analysts analyze data faster. Example of the data they analyze is total sales and average marks. So, in a formula, they have 3 parts. The first part must have an equal sign. This equal sign, it's always at the beginning of the formula, because it's the one that tells the Excel that this one is a calculation but not just a text. Without the equal sign, the Excel will treat what you are typing as just a normal text. The second part of the formula, it must be a function. This one is the second part. Let me just correct this one. Let me correct that one. The second part is a function. Examples of functions are the ones we are doing today. Sum is a function, average is a function. Then the third part of the formula is brackets. The brackets are in Excel formulas tells the Excel where the calculation starts and where it ends. So we are going to start with function formula. Sum adds numbers. This is how you write a function, a formula. You start with the equal sign, then the function, which is sum, the first bracket with the first cell, which is B2 to B5, then you close the bracket. This adds all the value from B2 to B5. Without the equal sign, if you type sum B2, brackets B2 to B5, close the bracket, the Excel will show you exactly that, because it will not calculate knowing that this is just a text. It will not make it as a calculation. So, example of data sets, just like last time, this is what we input in our Excel sheet and we saved it. This was the data set that we created. So this is the data set we are going to use for our calculation today. So in the calculation, you will type equal sign B2, B, depending on the total of what your data set will be talking about. And from the data set that we had, the result should give you 1900. On average calculates the average value. So average B2 to B5, the result is 475. Average is just half of whatever you're doing. That's you calculate the midpoint. You get it. Calculation or conclusion. So before we do the conclusion, let us get our data set. We saved it at cells_data. Go back to your worksheet and get your data set. This was our data set. So from this one, so we are going to put here total. Then, as we had said, all the formulas start with an equal sign. Then the function sum. Then the opening brackets. We are writing B2. This set. B2 to B5. Then you close the brackets. After doing that, you enter. From the theory part, we said we should get 1900, and exactly that's what we have gotten as 1900. Right? So for average, we are going to write average here. Then we write the equal sign. We are doing this together. So we get the average. You select it from here, function average. We just write it in full, average. Then the opening brackets, average of B2 to B5. Then you press enter. We said we should get 475. I repeat, for total, you will put equal sign, then the function sum, opening bracket. The first cell that you want the total from is this one, B2 from John. So John is row number 2, column B. So B2 to Jen. Jen is B5. So there. When you click enter, you'll get 1900. The average also, you do that. Average of this to this, you will get 475. And that's what we do when you want to calculate the sum and the average of your total sales. Total sales and the average of the sales. So tomorrow, on our next video, let me just say it on our next video. When you say tomorrow, let me say next video will be about count and basics analysis. Subscribe and continue learning. If you have any other questions, you can put it on the comments and we'll be able to help. Thank you. Oh, save. I had some changes. Let me save. Also, I have some changes here, so let me save. And we are done. Thank you.